Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Edge 40 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So open first the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the Icon Changer. So now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, just tap to open the app and you'll see here all of the available applications which icons you could change. For example, let's use the camera app. Here we could rename the app if you want by click to this edit icon. We got here the library with different folders with the icons. We could use them, or to use photo from our device gallery, or to take a picture in camera app. So this is the camera app. Just let's select one from these available icons. Tap to OK on the right upper corner. Now we should skip the ads. Tap to the 6 icon. So just tap to add to home screen. And now we could change next icon by the same way or go to the desktop. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.